My name's Roger Dack. My title is Manager, Environment, Health and Safety, and I've been with the Nordstern group of companies for 20 years. For us, yeah, we need to make parts and to sell them, but we need to make them safely and not cutting corners, and don't feel that if you're one part short of your quota that you're gonna get turfed, right? So we want you to, hey, slow down a bit, think your job through, and be safe.
When I met Roger, even on my very first interaction with him, it was pretty clear that there was something special about Roger. He is extremely passionate about safety. He truly cares for the employees that work here.
He used to work in our pulley cell. As developing companies at that point, we didn't have a safety person, so Roger expressed an interest in it. And the next thing you know, he was the guy running around implementing policies, reading policies, and just getting everyone to sign off and started pulling all the pieces together.
First thing I did is I took that safety policy off the shelf, dusted it off, and read it cover to cover. Then I took our risk register and looked through that to see what are we missing, what haven't we assessed. Started doing assessments, looking for the low-hanging fruit. We started picking that low-hanging fruit and solving problems, and using lean manufacturing at the same time improved everything. First few years, I didn't get much sleep because I was worried. Is somebody gonna get burnt? Is somebody gonna cut their finger off? Stuff like that. That kept me up at night. So I worked super hard to train and communicate and get everybody on board. That led into another role that I adopted as well, which was the 5S, the lean manufacturing role. So combined the two together and found it very useful. Lean and safety go hand in hand. From that point, got moved up into the parent company, and now I manage safety and health at 5 different companies. Overseeing 5 companies, I definitely can't do everything all the time all at once. With the help of Made Safe, we have got custom castings, Forte Tool and Die, and ProTech Surface Technologies, all SafeWorks certified. Made Safe helped me do that, but the biggest help was actually the workers in each plant, and I couldn't have done it without them.
Roger has a wonderful understanding of, satisfying and implementing policy is what we need to do to satisfy all of our stakeholders within safety. Affecting safety at the workstation level, though, that is where we talk about modifying behaviors and changing behaviors, understanding behaviors. That is where you really truly affect safety and people going home at the end of the day in a safe way. And Roger has made a huge transition to be able to go to those levels and also implement the policy and satisfy all of our stakeholders as well.
I'm always out there walking, talking, communicating safety. It's important so that everybody can go home at the end of the day without injury, so that when they're 60, they're not walking with a walker, right?
We will often say, if Roger is not around and there's an issue, or we need to make a decision that has a safety impact, it's not uncommon to hear, well, what would Roger do? What would Roger say? Because it is, he's just viewed as that model of what good looks like when it comes to safety. So it's not a surprise to me that what we see here and the champion that Roger has been seen by others and is recognized and getting this very worthwhile getting this work.
When I started, safety was a book on the shelf. Now safety is a way of life. So we took that book off the shelf, dusted it off, and started practicing what we preached.